Hello everybody and welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today I'm going to talk about my trip up to the New England Motorcycle Museum in Vernon, Connecticut. Took a ride up to the New England Motorcycle Museum this weekend and I have to say I was very impressed. It's an old mill and they basically went in and restored stuff, and the building itself I think is a museum. But lots and lots of bikes in there. The guy that runs it, Ken Kaplin, seems really into it, and I think it's a passion of his, and it shows. I definitely advise going up there and checking it out. Admission to the museum is $10 per adult, and children under 12 are free. So if you go up there and you're really into motorcycles and you really want to look at every nook and cranny of every bike, you can probably spend hours up there. But if you're somebody that's just interested in going up and checking out some old bikes, probably take you a half hour to 45 minutes to get through the museum. Like I said, shout out to Ken Kaplin. Beautiful museum up there, and I really hope that we can get some people up there to the museum to show the support for the museum. Also, I believe that in the coming year, they're hoping to get a restaurant and possibly a microbrewery opened on the first floor. I know they're working on that, but I don't know if they're having some issues with zoning or whatever, but it's in the works. And I think Ken actually has some motorcycle events that go on up there through the year. You could check out his YouTube channel. It's Kaplin Cycles, New England Motorcycle Museum, and check that and see if he's got, any events coming up there. Really good. He restores and sells bikes. I was definitely impressed and had a really good time. Thanks, Ken. And with that, I'm going to now show you a slideshow of some of the bikes that caught my eye while I was up there. Hope you enjoy. Please do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video and you like it. It would really help me out if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the slideshow. I'll talk to you after the slides. All right, I hope you enjoyed the slideshow. Please remember to go visit the New England Motorcycle Museum. And please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. This is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.